Let's Chica, Belmariano, may banat sa harap ng media na talagang nagpangangas sa kanila. Sabi niya, if a man brings more stress than peace, stay single. Love is supposed to make you life lighter, not leave you emotionally exhausted. The right man doesn't create problems for you to survive. He helps solve them. If you're happier and calmer and stronger without him, then you're not losing a relationship. You're escaping a burden. Never mistake constant struggle for love. The right relationship should improve your life, not drain it.